Good afternoon, good evening. Hope everyone's doing okay. It's Dave here. I'm coming up to the 30th of August, and and I didn't shave. 30th of August. I bring you this special video at just want to bring it up because I've been offline for, I'm gonna say, about 2 weeks. I've been as soon as I got off of work, I became kind of ill, but it was just a normal illness. It's just just one of those typical colds that one would get. I came home with chills and fever and just what you would call a typical cold. I went to the doctor's office the next day and they inject me some vitamins. They helped me out very good. Started noticing that my mom was sick also. I went by to visit her and I was like, "Mom, are you okay?" And she's fine. She had the same symptoms. She had a lot of coughing and but she had a shortness of breath. She had like bronchial asthma. That kind of worried me a bit. That maybe she might have had COVID or something. And and for a lady at her age, it's not good to be suffering like that because it's this particular biological weapon that China made is very dangerous, especially for the elderly. A lot of people are dying. I didn't want my mom to die, so I contacted my brother and he said, take her to to our family doctor. So I figured, you know what, I'm sick also. I'm gonna go to the family doctor. I'm telling it's probably a typical cold. He injected me some vitamins and gave her some medicine, and I felt better. I actually felt better. I had already told my employer, you know what, I feel kind of bad. Give me at least 2 nights to rest. That way I can come back to work good and ready for work. And so it stayed like that. Well, my mom's illness was coming back, and my illness was starting to come back again. He said, "Wait a minute, I just got an injection." We went back to the doctor's office 2 days later, and I'm telling them, I'm starting to get sick again. Well, to cut the long story short, my mom didn't want to get tested because that little prong thing that goes inside your nose to check for COVID. She hates that stuff. I'm sure nobody likes that stuff anyway. It's a bad feeling when somebody's sticking a pencil up your nose. It's like, so I said, "Mom, don't worry about it. I'll let them do it to me. If I have COVID, that means that you have COVID." So, excuse me. So, they went and stuck it in me, but they stuck it in deeper this time. I was like, I was suffering. And they stuck it in all the way to the very end of the nose. I had never had someone stick it in that deep. I was like, oh my gosh. So, the very next day, that was a COVID test that you'd have to wait the next day for them to give you an answer. The very next day, they told me I was positive with COVID again. They're like, wait a minute, I had COVID already June the 2nd of 2020. June the 2nd of 2020, I had COVID. And then after I got over that, the vaccine was made available for us, so I was able to get the Pfizer vaccine, first dosage, and then 2 weeks later I got the second dosage. And everybody keeps telling me, even the news media keeps saying, well, you know, if you get the vaccine, you won't get COVID anymore, is it? That's what I had relied on. Well, 2 weeks ago I got COVID again. The vaccines didn't work. Now everybody says, oh no, you would get COVID again, except that it won't be that strong anymore. If you didn't have the vaccine, you would be dead. I was like, I don't think so either, but okay, that's fine. I still think the vaccine was a waste of time. I got COVID again, and I was out of work. 10 days sitting here in my room, watching television, pretty much resting up, but I'm the type of person that has to be working. You gotta be doing something, you gotta stay active. Because you could sit here and watch television, go downstairs and go eat your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or maybe just skip lunch and just do dinner, but your body's not exercising. So all that accumulated crap that you're eating is forming in your body where it makes you get fat. So I couldn't do any exercises. I tried walking outside, but I was afraid that I might contaminate someone, so I stayed inside my house. There's nothing else I can do. Now today, I tested. It's been almost 14 days, almost 14, it was about 12 days. It's been 12 days now. And now I'm negative. I no longer have COVID-19. And I'm grateful. I'm thankful that my body was able to be strong enough to overcome that. Because locally where I live in the Austin area, there's been at least 300 to 400 people that have died. And I'm not sure if there were elderly people but some are reporting that there were young people also. So I'm lucky that can still be able to stay on Earth a little bit longer. And but this is my intake of my video. To let you all know that I am grateful to all of my subscribers. I've come up to, I believe, 1,030 subscribers already. Most of you that have contacted me through YouTube, I've told you all, that I had COVID-19, and that's why I haven't made any more videos. But I appreciate you all's support, and thank everybody for supporting me. And up to now, I'm thankful that I was able to reach up to over 1,000 subscribers now. So I'll be able to make better videos in the future, hopefully. Things might change. We'll see what happens. In the meantime, I want to thank my girlfriend, my fiance, my partner, my companion, Adeline Barrows. She's still waiting for me in the Philippines. She's waiting for me in Cebu. If Cebu could ever open their borders, I would take the first flight out. Even if I wasn't ready financially, I'd take the first flight out to the Philippines, because I want to be with my own family. I love you very much, Adeline. And this is my message to you. Just keep hanging on there. Hopefully the Philippines will open and we can be together again. Because we were hoping, before COVID, we were hoping that we were going to get married over there, but COVID got in the way and our marriage was placed on standby. So, other than that, thank you very much for listening to my video. If you like my videos, my other videos, please subscribe to my channel. And maintain your social distancing, and God bless every single one of you all. Until the next video.